Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with a new unit. This one is going to be from the Sensationnel Butta lace collection. It's going to be pre-cut unit 1 and it's in the color number 1B. So this is what the box is looking like, and here's the stock card for this one. This one is going to be a glueless wig, and it has HD lace as well as ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area. This has smaller knots for a natural hairline, and it's going to be available in 9 special colors. So as far as the cap construction on this one, you are going to notice that lace is cut blunt straight across, just like the pre-cut unit 2. It's going to come with the 2 combs in the front that are right next to that parting space, and it's also going to come with a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps, an elastic band, and it was made on a mesh wig cap. I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation in the color Mocha, put that on my makeup sponge, and then start applying that to the lace. And then after I'm done applying that to the lace, I'm just going to slap this on the wig head so you guys can see what it's looking like. So this unit's going to be 22 inches. The texture on it is going to be like a light yaki, light to medium yaki I would say. And as you can see, it's very flowy. So first I'm just going to go in with my She Balm wax stick and just get those hairs slicked back. This is going to make it easier because, like I noted, the lace is cut blunt and straight across. So to get rid of that and help with the blend down situation, I'm just going to go in with my pinking shears and just get the edges situated how they should be. I'm going to be using the serrated pinking shears to create a jagged cut for the lace to make the blend more seamless. So I'm just going to go in and ponytail that hair so it's out of my way. And then I'm going to grab my pinking shears and start cutting that lace off. Now, one of the downsides when it comes to this collection is the fact that you do have to do this. I mean, you can go ahead and wear it as is, but as we all know, if you attempt to wear a wig with a blunt cut like this, it's going to be much harder to blend and mask. So this is one of the downsides when it comes to this unit, is just the fact of going in and touching up that hairline by cutting that lace and just making it blend more seamless. It makes it harder because since there's such little bits of lace to work with, it makes it a little bit harder to cut it off, but it's definitely possible. It's just taking me a little bit of finesse to get it more jagged, so that's what I'm doing here. And I did pick these serrated pinking shears up from Amazon. And then I'm just cleaning up a little bit with my embroidering scissors. And as you can see right here, you see how that cut is more jagged. So that's going to help with the blending process. So now I'm just going to slap it on my head and begin installing it, and immediately, yes, for this one, honestly, my initial thoughts are I immediately like this one much better than the pre-cut unit 2, honestly. I just feel like the blend with this one was much easier and more natural than it was with the pre-cut unit 2. And I'm doing this as yet another baby hairless install just so that you guys can see exactly how it would look if you're not a baby hair girl, and just so you guys can see exactly how this hairline's looking. I really like the hairline on this one, you guys. They did a really good job of plucking it out. Now I'm just going to go in with my Femme Silkening Mist and just start spritzing this on my hair. And this is a heat protectant, so I like to do this before I add any heat to my unit. It gives it a nice natural luster, and it also adds shine, and just like I said, because it's a heat protectant, this is just good to go in and apply on the hair before you're going to add any heat to it. As far as the density on this one, you guys, this one is going to be about 150 to possibly 180%. Just going in with my hot comb to get it slicked down and make it a little bit more flat, but I'm just doing quick sweeps through because I don't want to get rid of that texture. But as you can see, this install is going pretty smoothly. It's definitely giving throw on and go vibes. I think if they were to just adjust this lace and have provided it with a jagged cut or a wavy cut, this would have just been absolutely perfect, honestly, because this has to be one of the quickest installs that I've done. And now I'm just going in with my wax stick and slicking those additional hairs down to just get rid of any additional humpiness and to make sure that those baby hairs are inside the hairline. As far as the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I honestly adjusted the straps on this one as tight as they can go just so I could get that true glueless fit, and I did not go in with any additional product or anything like that to adhere the lace down, so this is definitely going to just be a glueless install, so I was here for that. So definitely know if you do have a larger size head, this one should be good for you. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and when I adjusted the straps all the way, I feel like it fit my head great. And now I'm just going in with my liquid foundation and applying it around the perimeter of the lace. Now I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow palette from the Warrior 2 from Juvia's Place and the color number Yoda, and just add that into the hairline. And just adding that into the parting space and a little bit more around the edges of that lace to make sure that it's blended in nicely. And all in all, I definitely feel like this was a super quick install. The look of it is realistic, it's cute, it's simple. And now I'm just gonna go in and just add a couple layers to it just to give some more dimension to it. So everything just seemed like it was just too much the same length for me. So I just wanted to go in and cut a couple layers in it to just give it just that added dimension and make it less flat, if that makes sense. So the majority of time that I spent on this unit, I'm probably gonna say, was cutting the lace off and making it jagged, and then just adding those layers and then adding the product to it. But that's gonna be the most time consuming part of this install, honestly. Just like I said, I wish they had came and provided that jagged or wavy lace, because that would have made this process so much easier. But even with that being a flaw that I found in this unit, I still feel like this was a pretty quick and easy beginner friendly install. So as far as my cons on it, my cons are going to be that blunt cut that they have with the pre-cut lace. But honestly, that's probably going to just be the only con that I have with this unit. As far as my pros on it, the texture is really nice. It's very flowy. I'm a yaki girl. If you're a yaki girl, you will absolutely love this one. I love the fact that it was super easy to get going after I did a little bits of that customization to it. The density is nice. Like I said, the texture is nice. The length is cute. As a whole, I feel like this was a cute one, and I would pick it up again. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.